Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am in between doing all the outside and inside cooking stuff, and it is Saturday before Memorial Day on Monday, and it is a really special time for us because we have, not only did my husband serve in the military, my father did, and yeah, so it's a very important time. And so we try to really remember that. And as well as our extended family member who also served. And then we have more people on, further deep we go. But anyway, so I'm excited. I feel like I've been working the smoker, getting those things done. I'm running in between. And my poor husband is working on the boat, overheating. And then, but I couldn't not take the time to open this. So this is the June dekdesigns.com monthly kit. So I'm super, super excited. I've been seeing bits and pieces of it, and I've been hearing lots about it. So, of course, it comes in this gorgeous, envelope pouch, which is so helpful. And it helps me keep everything organized. So it says, "Hello, June. June is filled with daisies, tulips, and roses. We wanted to bring you a collection that does just this to your planner pages. We are excited to see your creations with this month's subscription. Stay safe, sane, and well planned, Dawn, Emily, and Katie." So, how much fun is that? Okay, so you're going to have to bear with me. I'm in here right now so that I can run back and forth. And not 100%, but I'm so much better than what I was, so I'm so thankful. Yay! Okay, so let's start. I love to start with the paper, and I'm excited. So let's see here. I love this. I love the pink and the purple butterflies. You can cut these out. You could use this as a back page. You can use this in any way, junk journaling and whatnot. Oh my goodness, how much I love that. Yeah, this will be a journaling page because I love both sides. They are gorgeous. And it says, "Be fearlessly authentic. She is a wildflower. Find the beauty in every day." Those are so pretty. You can cut those apart or keep them whole. They'd be great in Bible journaling or journaling in your journal. And look at that. Kind of reminds me of it's not quite yellow, but the Texas yellow rose, which is my favorite. All right, so here is that gorgeous, gorgeous paper. Again, isn't that beautiful? And the vellum, absolutely gorgeous. And some more beautiful roses on that blue. And, ooh, I love the pink. And it kind of looks like little clouds, but it can be whatever you like. So pretty. Oh, real picture. Love that. That is so beautiful. Mountains in the back with snow on them. And then there is that beautiful rose print. Again, how gorgeous is that paper? Yes. I know. I wish we could purchase more paper. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is we'll look at the sticky note because it's here. And how pretty are these? I have not looked at any of this except for when I took it out of the envelope to show you guys. So here is the sticky notes. Love those. So pretty. Those pretty roses. And then here is some ephemera. And I am going to take it easy so I can salvage that sticker. I know, I'm such a cheap girl, but you know what? Why are we doing things where we couldn't save? I wish I had a pair of scissors in here, and I don't. Or I would be just cutting it across the top. But it'll give you a minute to think about. Now, on these kits, they are monthly, and of course, you get everything so much less expensive when you go this route. And they really are jam-packed full. So look at that. That is a piece of washi. I love that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, goodness. And then there is that same picture. And, of course, these are they're sticky-backed. How sweet is that? There's one of those beautiful pink butterflies. Yes. And then it says, "Grow through what you go through." And I couldn't agree more with that. The bee. Okay. And isn't that gorgeous? That is beautiful. We have these out on our stoop as you go down. I'm trying to think. Gosh, I'm blanking out. They're not a vase. They're an urn. Yeah, they're beautiful. Ours are black. But I kind of like the white. Maybe I'll paint them white. "Make today amazing." I love that. What a good encouragement. And it's picnic time with the charcuterie board. I literally spent the last 2 days putting together my next grocery order with our local grocery store here in Texas, H-E-B. And I am literally ordering things so that when all the kids come over or whatever, we can eat outside and just be together. So, all right, so let's see what else we have. Well, first, that looks pretty. Look at that pretty pink glittery pen. It's been a while since I think we've received a pen. Isn't that nice? It's very light, very, very light. This would be so light in your bag. And it just kind of clicks on and it clicks off. And let's see how they write. Dawn is notorious for picking pens that write like butter, and it does. Super sweet. It has a little rose on it. A little rose on it. If you can't see, sorry, I guess I'm out of the frame and I'm so apologizing. Okay, here we go. So now we have washi. All three of these washi's are gorgeous. So you have this gorgeous kind of pinky mauve with the, I guess is it rose gold? Looks like rose gold to me, bows. Hold on one second, guys. It is rose gold because here we have the same bows with that same floral print. Isn't that beautiful? Let me see. Can you see that better? There we go. Okay. And then here we go. Here are, it looks like, hold on. Oh, it's got the little mound on it in the rose gold. And then you've got the florals in the background, the wildflowers. So I'm a huge wildflower girl. And here in Texas, that's a big deal. I know people think, oh, yeah. No, it's a big deal. When LBJ was president, a little history, Lady Bird decided to beautify all of our highways, and so began the Wildflower Project here in Texas. We have tons of natural wildflowers, and she just made sure that the seed was spread. And so this year, we've had Indian paintbrushes. Of course, we have dandelions. We have all those. The little chamomile-like white flowers, but they're not chamomile. We've had black-eyed Susans. We will have sunflowers, and we have had bluebonnets this year. And we also had this beautiful little tufts and little tiny, out in the pasture of these gorgeous little purple little flowers. They were so pretty. If you want to see what those look like, go to my Instagram. You can see it, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. So here is a beautiful bookmark, and so pretty. And that touch of yellow that's there with that darker center, which is in the center of this rose, is really, really pretty. Okay, so let's look at the star of the show, which is, here is the June monthly. Sorry, guys. I am really way out of practice, can you tell? Taking some time off to be sick, and now I'm kind of having to think. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm going to scooch this over so we can get through this better. All right, so first we have the Juneteenth, and then to buy all of those types of encouragements, a bow, and 2022. Love that. And then here is the monthly for your calendar, and of course you can put that June across there, and that can go down, and these can go across. So I am very excited to play with that, and it should be fun. And then we have, oh look, we have some darling little stickers. These will be perfect in a Hobonichi or pocket planner. These are just, it says Fathers and Happy Father's Day, and lots of goodies for daddies. So yes, there we go. Sorry, boy, my phone is not wanting to play today. Okay, let me scoot that back too. Okay, maybe that helps. Here we go. So there are all the bill dues, currently watching, currently reading, currently listening, beautiful decoratives, and then just some really good word functionals. All right, now I guess I missed this little bag. Hold on. Try not to mess this sticker up either. It's so pretty. I'm going to take my time. So how many of you have gotten your Father's Day all done? I am done. I have hopefully it'll get here on time. I have my son-in-law, my son, even though my son is not a daddy, he's a puppy daddy. And then my husband, and I have theirs all done, ordered. My husband's is here. If his doesn't come in time, he can, I have other things. He has a birthday box as well that I've been putting together. So I'm all done. So here are the Junes. There's the swatches of all that paper. Isn't that pretty in sticker form? And then look at the workstation. Isn't that cute? That is so stinking cute. Love the sunflower. In Texas, when you see the sunflowers, that means it is going to get hot. The yellow flowers mean it's going to get hot. So I love these. These are beautiful. They're fantastic to use in journals, Bible journaling, etc. You use them in your planner too. They're gorgeous. Okay, last humongous sticker kit. And guys, this is a kit that kind of does you for the month. Seriously. Usually I pick one planner or a project with the paper, and I let that be dedicated. Isn't that pretty? Maybe she is a wildflower. That is so sweet. And this is the June sub box. So absolutely beautiful. There's that one that was in our paper. How pretty. Oh, so we have the date dots. And then that. I'm trying to make sure I get all of it in there. Sorry. And then we have this. Oh, love that. So seriously, I could see a couple of journals out of this, like for my daughter for her birthday. I could do something like this and then, use the rest for other things. Live life in full bloom. I love that. And of course, all the beautiful decoratives. Beautiful decoratives. Okay, I'm going to scooch this back one more time. Sorry. Tried to make it pretty for you. There's more of these half and quarter and functional, habit tracker type boxes. And then look at this across the bottom. I love the hexagons and I love the stars. So it's very appropriate. And then we've got the banner. We've got the half circles. These aren't scallops, they're half circles. And then we have the work and the bows. And those are so nice. So nice. And then here are the listers, and then you've got your clipboard, and this I've always used for menu, but I'm not doing that right now. I'm using another menu planner. So yeah, and then word headers or encouragements, and then more of the decoratives. Now here we go. We've got glitter headers, we've got pre-written headers, we've got more checkoffs, we've got weekend, and then we've got more of the various types of stickers, from banners to smaller washi scallop type stuff. And then here is the washi. Isn't that gorgeous? We've been picking blackberries and dewberries, and our strawberries are growing, and our everything's growing and blooming. Our blueberries, our raspberries, everything. So, and then all the butterflies. I love that. And here's the days of the week. Here's another new shape, and then I love the hexies. Those are so cute. And then, oh, look at that with the lavender. That's kind of neat. And then you've got the blue sky, you've got more flowers, and then you've got that pretty pink background. Absolutely pretty on your days of the week. And then again, we have the scallop for journaling, we have the sticky note type style, and then that's a nice shape. And then here's kind of a postage stamp sticker. And I love these in my journals. I really do. And look at these decoratives. Wow, that is so pretty. So pretty. Yes, and we have our bees here on the property that are getting big. And then here are the fashion girls. And that is that. Guys, what a gorgeous, gorgeous kit. What a beautiful option. And I think that this is fun. I think all of this is great fun. Beautiful for planning and scrapbooking and journaling and Bible journaling, or however you want to use it. This is really an amazing kit, an amazing value. Listed below is the link, so feel free to hit that link. Put KRIS in the comment box, and you'll get an extra little sticker with that. And then there is also a discount code for everything that is not on sale or is not already a subscription kit, because these are already so reduced. Okay, friends, I hope you've enjoyed this. The colors are gorgeous. They are absolutely, they're just gorgeous. They couldn't be any better for this time of the year. And I just saw the little peek at next month, and it's very pretty. So these are usually all sold out, but if you hurry, you can sign up for the next month and go to the website, dekdesigns.com, to see what that time frame is, in which there's a small window of a limited amount of numbers of spaces, so you want to get in there on that. Okay, friends, leave a comment below. Tell me what is your favorite out of this whole kit. And yeah, I'm going to let you go. Like, subscribe, share it with a friend. And most importantly, I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. I'm sorry my voice is a little bit froggy, but it's not bad. And that is such a blessing. So, okay, friends, I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all stay safe. Love you. Bye-bye.